Hello, today I'm going to explain how to write a C program using Turbo C++ software. This software was designed at the time when mouse was not invented, so the cursors may not work, so don't be scared of that. Instead, use the Alt plus the red colored alphabets to select the option. So first we have to go to File, then select New because we are going to write a new program. Now let's write the program in the text editor window, which is being displayed in blue color. So our first statement will be an inclusion of an header file. Include stdio.h is a header file which holds some function definition which functions we are going to use in our program. For example, we are going to write printf function whose definition is included in the stdio.h header file. So now begin our program. Every program execution begins with the main method of the program. So let's write the return type of the main function should be void. This is our main function. Its body or function definition includes whatever statements which we want to execute. So our only statement is printf printf. This is a function used to display data on the output window. So our data is a hello world statement or in programming language known as string. So every string is included inside a pair of double quotes. These are the double quotes. Inside this double quotes, we have to write the hello world program, hello world string. That's it. Now we have to save the program. For time being, you can see this no name00.cpp label. We have to remove this label, and this label will be removed when we will save the program. So for saving, go to File, click Save. Now carefully write the name of the program. So any name to display hello dot C is the extension for C programs. So carefully write .c extension instead of .cpp. Click on OK. Yes. This override window is displayed when you have a same program having the same name. Now we have to compile and run the program. In C, compilation means converting this code which you have written in C programming language into a machine readable machine code, which is a binary program. So let's compile. Yes, there is no error. If your program has any error, it will be displayed or caught stage. Press any key to exit from this compiling window. Now run the program. As you can see, our program has ran already, but the output is not still visible because the output will be visible inside the output window. So go to window and then click on output. You can use navigation keys to go to output and then press enter. You can see this is the output window which holds the string hello world which we have passed to the printf statement. For closing this output window, click on the green square at the top left corner. For closing the text editor, again click on the same square. That's it. For exiting from the Turbo C++, go to File and then Quit. For quitting, we have to give him a command which is exit and then press enter. So our Turbo C++ will be stopped. Thank you.